Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CD Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a dry noodle dish. It's a egg noodle dish made with a bit of char siu, some vegetables, a little bean sprout, and a super addicting sauce that's smothered all over top of it. It's called MI KHO, and it's super easy to make. Let's go ahead and give it a try. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the links down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just in the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!